Hello, everyone, and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I am your host, Dost, and yes, still again in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain, with Infosys. Actual question asked in the third section, technical ability. And today we would be discussing few questions which were asked on technical ability maths numeric section. 2 to 3 maximum questions are asked in this technical ability section, which actually do pertains to numerical ability. So we will see what kind of question we were asked this season, and we will try to solve it. I'll give you some time. You try to solve it first, and then we will look out for the option. So let's begin now. X was asking other people to guess his age. A said that his age is not more than 30. B said that his age is greater than 20 for sure. It is not 20, but it is greater than 20 for sure. So if we combine A and B, his age is 21 to 30. Mr. C said that his age lies between 27 and 34. Between 27 and 34. But these two statements say 20 to 30. If A, B, C all are correct, then what is the average possible value of X? Now, if A, B, C all are correct, his age would be either 28, 29 or 30, because this 30 is inclusive. This 27 is not inclusive because it says that lies between 27 and 34, which means that it does not include 27. So, age of X may be either 28, 29 or 30. Now the question, what is the average possible value of X? Average possible value of X age would be 28 plus 29 plus 30 divided by 3, that will give us 29. Option C fits in. If a system codes every number as its half, okay, there is a new system which codes whatever moves in as half, then what is the LCM of first 10 natural number as per the system? So as per this system, the first 10 natural number would be till 10 by 2. Now, if we are given with fractions, for fractions, LCM is LCM of all numerators of different fractions divided by HCF of denominators. So here LCM of this entire 10 numbers would be LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divided by HCF of 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. That will obviously give us 2. Now we need to find the LCM of these first 10. 10, 5 and 2 gone, 2 is there, 2 remains, so let 8 remains here, and 3, 2, 2, 3 gone. 7, 8 is 56. 56 into 9 is, or here I can remove one more 2, left with 5 only. So let me multiply 56 into 45. So 6, 5, 33, 28, 24, 12, 152 and 20 and 5, 2520. So LCM would be 2520 and SCF is 2. That will give us 1260. That features in option C. Twenty members of a club decide to play a squash tournament. Every time a member loses a match, he is out of the tournament. Find the minimum number of matches required to find the winner. This is based on knockout games theory. Knockout games theory says if there are n team participating and if each team is playing and whosoever loses the match, that particular team goes home, then minimum number of games required to find a winner is always n minus 1. So here 20 members are there, we require 20 minus 1, that is 19 games to be played so that a winner can be decided. You can give reasons like that. Outcome of one match is one person going home. To have one winner out of 20, we should have 19 people going home. So how many minimum number of matches are required so that 19 people can go home? That is 19. So if n teams are playing, we require n minus 1 minimum number of games. There, because we want n minus 1 teams to go home and one team is going home after one match. So n minus 1 matches need to be played. Option C fits in. A college has 40% boys and 60% girls as students. Let college have 100 students. So boys we have 40 and girls we have got 60 girls. It organized a competition. 1/8 of the boys, 1/8 of 40 is equals to 5, and 1/4 of the girls, 1/4 of 60 is 15. Participated in the competition. So total number of participation was 20. What fraction of the total number of students participated? The fraction we are looking out for is 20 by 100. Participated students 20, total students 100. That will give us 1 by 5. That is in option C. A tailor has a number of shirt pieces to cut from a roll of fabric. He cuts each roll of equal length into 17 pieces. He cuts at the rate of 48 cuts a minute. How many rolls would he cut in 14 minutes? Now let us understand first the meaning of cuts. Suppose this is a piece of cloth and I want to cut it into 4 equal parts. Then how many cuts I need to make? 1 cut, 2 cut, 3 cut, and automatically the 4th part will come out. So if I need to cut this piece of paper or piece of cloth into 4 equal parts, I just need 3 cuts. For 4, I need 3 cuts. He cuts each roll of equal length into 17 pieces. That means for each roll, for each roll, he is just using 16 cuts. For each roll, he just require 16 cuts and that roll would be converted into 17 pieces. Now his rate is 48 cuts a minute. 48 by 16 is equals to 3. That means he is cutting out 3 rolls per minute. How many rolls would he cut in 14 minutes? 3 rolls into per minute into 14 minutes will give 42 rolls. Option C, 42 rolls fits in. If x is 6 and y is 36, then what is the value of the missing figure? You know that this is an analogy which can be converted into proportion format in mathematics. So x, y, y is equals to y by a. Therefore, a would be equals to y into y square by a. Y square is 36 into 36 and x is 6. 36 into 6 is 216 and that fits in option C. As said, really any question from numerical ability is asked in Infosys examination. In technical abilities section, 1 or 2 questions would be there from numbers, and these were few of the questions which we have collected on that particular day. Thank you everyone for connecting with us. Hope you practice these kind of questions because many logical formula of mathematics, whatever we know regarding time and work, time, speed, distance, average, percentages basically are asked in the form of data sufficiency type of question. So do practice them and stay fit, stay well, and stay at home. And thank you everyone. I'll come back again and I'll come back soon. This is Mohit Jain signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats, that's MJ Magic Studio to you. If you like whatever we are doing, please do comment, share, and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone. Stay connected.